What's up? It's Femmechi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing of the second pair of Nike shoes that I bought. I've never owned shoes like this. From the pictures, they look super futuristic and just different. I have to look at my computer to read out the name because it's one heck of a name for a shoe, so I'm just gonna read it off my computer. I got the Nike Air Zoom SuperRep 2 Next Nature women's HIIT class shoes. Wow, I just wanted a pair of shoes that I could wear at the gym but also kind of wear, you know, just walk about, have it be fashion but functional also. I already did the whole taking it out of the box and everything like that. Super nice. This is supposed to be, I think, recycled material. It has this text, hopefully you can see it. The text says, "Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport." Can you see it? I hope you can.
So this is the shoe. It's beautifully designed. Apparently it's made out of 20% recycled material by weight. And it has this really cool mesh design on the top. And the soles are actually pretty thick. And on the back, you can see that there's some kind of rubber material there too. There's the side of the shoe. They're definitely designed for repetitive movement. I also like that it wraps around the front, just like the Nike Free Metcons too. And apparently the bottom of the shoe is made out of recycled material. And you can just kind of feel how nice that is. It's very flexible, I would say, but I will warn you that it's a bit tight when you put them on because it's such a cinched look. The orange color is just so nice as well. And yeah, those are the shoes. I decided to give them a try at the gym, starting off on the treadmill at an incline. And you can see I'm stable, but it's a little bit shaky, I gotta admit. It wasn't the smoothest. Now I'm just running, and I don't know if I would recommend these shoes for running shoes. There's just a little bit too much imbalance going on, but they were decent for running, but probably wouldn't be my first choice. Anything that requires a lot of agility, quick changes, I think these shoes are perfect for. And when I kind of pause the video, you really get to see how well these handle this type of movement. Here I've kind of slowed it down just to show you how effortless I'm able to move side to side because these shoes give you a little bit of a boost, so it makes the movement easier. Here I'm just stretching out. This is the best part of my workout, honestly. And yeah, I would wear these shoes for a lot of different exercises in the weight room, but probably not for running.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit that red subscribe button and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of my workouts on there on my reels and sometimes in my stories, so make sure you go follow me there. Comment below, tell me what you think about these shoes. Maybe let me know what other reviews you want me to do, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Click the red button. Ooh, sunlight is just coming in.